Find the values of a if the distance between the points a, 3 and 4, 5 is 2 root 3. Using the formula for the distance between the points p, x1, y1 and q, x2, y2, d equals to root x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, we have d 2 root 3, which means 2 root 3 equals to a minus 4 squared plus 3 minus 5 squared under root. Squaring on both sides gives 2 root 3 squared equals to a minus 4 squared plus minus 2 squared. Which is equal to 12 equals a minus 4 squared plus negative 2 squared. This means 12 equals to a squared minus 8a plus 16 plus 4. And rewriting this equation, we have a squared minus 8a plus 8 equals to 0. This equation is a quadratic in the variable a. Using the quadratic formula, we can find the values of the variable a. We have a equals to minus of minus 8, which is 8, plus or minus negative 8 squared minus 4 times the coefficient of a squared, which is 1, times 8, divided by 2 times the coefficient of a squared, which is 1. This gives 8 plus or minus root 64 minus 32 divided by 2, which means a is equal to 8 plus or minus 64 minus 32 is 32 under root divided by 2, which is equal to 8 plus or minus root 32 can be written as 4 root 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 4 plus or minus 2 root 2. So the values of a are a equals to 4 plus 2 root 2 and a equals to 4 minus 2 root 2. So the solution set is 4 minus 2 root 2 comma 4 plus 2 root 2. Find the point on the x-axis that is equidistant from 1, 2 and 3, 4. Any point on x-axis has its y-coordinate 0. So a point on the x-axis is of the form x, 0. Since x, 0 is equidistant from 1, 2 and 3, 4, we have x minus 1 squared plus 0 minus 2 squared equals to x minus 3 squared plus 0 minus 4 squared. Expanding x minus 1 squared and x minus 3 squared. And doing this arithmetic, we have x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus 4, and x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 16, from negative 4 squared, 16. Rearranging this equation here, we have negative 2x plus 5 equals to negative 6x plus 25, which implies 4x equals to 20. That gives us x equals to 5. So the point on the x-axis is 5, 0.